The first weeks in a new SAP job can make or break your success. And most beginners, they always make the same 3 mistakes. Let's fix that. Many new consultants, they think they need to figure out everything alone. But that's absolutely wrong. Every company has different processes, different tools, different rules. And you should have a reference person, someone that you can contact when you're stuck, someone who knows where things are. Without that person, every small question becomes like a 1 hour investigation. So identify and use your onboarding contact early. It may sound contradict, but here is mistake number 2. The onboarding contact is for onboarding, but then most of the answers are already there. Project and process documents, training materials. The mistake is wait for someone to give you every answer. Consultants that can grow faster know where the information is. They learn how to navigate the company repository very quickly and independently. Firstly, they search, and then they ask questions. And people can easily notice the difference because reliable consultants are those that can find the answer independently. Be careful, this is a new channel, so if you don't want to miss real and direct SAP career experience insights, hit like and subscribe. This is the mistake that nobody talks about. You can be technically strong and still struggle because every company rewards different behaviors. Some value people who speak up, some value people who listen first, some reward speed, others quality. Pay attention to the communication and the behavior of the people that get rewarded. Those patterns tell you how the company works, and they help you to understand how to become visible. If you don't agree on those values, it's better you change workplace. When you start a new SAP job, don't just focus on SAP and avoid these 3 mistakes. Do these things right and you will get rewarded much faster than most hires.